In this video, I will solve a more complex equation, which means I will have to perform several steps before getting the value of x or separating the x. Here, this equation is different than the previous video because I have two brackets here on the two sides of the equation, like number 2 multiplied by bracket x plus 5, and on the right hand side I have a number 4 multiplied by x minus 2, and I have to simplify the equation to isolate the variable. The first thing I will think about expanding the two brackets, which means I will multiply the 2 by the whole bracket x plus 5. So 2 will be multiplied by x and 2 will be multiplied by 5. And don't forget here, I multiply the 2 by x and the 2 by 5. Don't forget to multiply by 5. And on the right hand side, I will multiply 4 by x and 4 by negative 2. Let's see the new equation. When I multiply 2 times x, it will be 2x, and 2 multiplied by 5 equals 10. That's on the left hand side, and on the right hand side, 4 multiplied by x, 4x, and 4 multiplied by negative 2, you will get minus 8, because this is a positive number and 2 is a negative number. That's the first step. Here I found something strange. We didn't solve this before. I have variables in the two sides of the equation. Here I have 2x on the left-hand side and 4x on the right-hand side. Here I want to collect all the variables on one side of the equation and the numbers on the other side. How will I think about this? I will think about the smaller value of the variable term 2x and 4x. The smaller value is 2x, so the easier way to subtract 2x from the two sides of the equation, I check for the smaller value of the variable and I subtract it from the two sides of the equation. Why? Because here 2x minus 2x will be 0, and here the left-hand side of the equation you will have only 10 remaining from the left-hand side, and for the right-hand side I have 4x minus 2x equals 2x, and then minus 8, you will bring it down because there's no other number. So here I have 10 equals 2x minus 8, and you can also write it as 2x minus 8 equals 10. It's like the previous video when we had two-step equation, we had two numbers to get rid of them, the 2 that's multiplied by the x and the minus 8, and we said in the previous video that we have to perform the opposite of the order of operations, so I have to get rid of the subtracted or added number first. Here I have a subtracted number, so the first thing I will add 8 on the two sides of the equation to get rid of the subtracted number. So the left-hand side, it will be 10 plus 8, 18, and the right-hand side 2x, because minus 8 or negative 8 plus 8 is 0. This equation, the result here is 18 equals 2x. So I have a number multiplied by the x equals 18. To get rid of the multiplied number, I will have to perform the opposite operation, which is division. I will divide the two sides of the equation by 2. Why? Because I want to simplify this 2 in the numerator with the 2 in the denominator to get 1x only. That's how to separate the variable. And then you will get x only equals to 18 divided 2 equals 9. X equals 9. If you want to check your answer, and I prefer actually to check your answer, you will get this x equals 9 and substitute in the original equation the two sides and check. If you replace x by 9 on the left-hand side and the right-hand side and get the same number, it means your answer is correct. Like here, if you replace x by 9, 9 plus 5 equals 14. 14 times 2 equals 28. That's for the left-hand side. And if you replace x on the right-hand side by 9, 9 minus 2 equals 7. 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. It means the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. And now I know that my answer is correct. Now you can practice. Use the yellow QR code first. This is more simple. When you practice and master it, you can move to the green, which will be more advanced. And good luck.